Hello, America. This is Meatball Burnout. So last night I went out to Perris Raceway to the 4 to 9 p.m. night racing practice. You can see right here, got some nice Perris mud. See all that? So basically, these tires look brand new. I probably have 4 rides on the rear, and on the front tires, I got like 4 rides. Look at that. America, you think those tires are brand new? No, I'm going to swap them out. I'm going to swap them out, put some new tires. Only on 4 rides. Okay? What I'm going to talk to you tonight about is spoke adjustment. So basically, I got my wheel off the bike. I got it on a balancing stand with a caliper. With a caliper there. So as I turn the wheel, you can see that caliper needle move. Okay. Help all you people out about spoke adjustment. What you do is tap on the spokes. Should sound like ping, ping, ping. You get to a spoke like this, it's loose. So what you do is you put your spoke wrench on, you tighten it down, tap on the spoke. Nope, not enough ping. Tighten it down. Almost there. Oh, looks like it right there. You gotta tighten that spoke up. Tighten it up. Okay. So, sound good? Folks, sound good? You hear the sound? Okay. So after you tighten those spokes, I got a balancing stand here with a needle. So as I turn the wheel, you can see that needle move. So I can see how much off the wheel is. Needle only jerks a little bit. If the needle goes all the way around, you got a problem there. Okay? A lot of people don't know how to adjust spokes. They adjust them, and the wheel is out of true. Okay? Meatball says, do it right, do it white, and guess what? You'll be cool. You'll be true. And there's my needle. I'm spinning the wheel. See, it's not fluctuating that much at all. A little bit there. Okay, a little bit there. See what's going on. Oh, maybe right there, a little bit tight there. And the sound. There you go. Turn the needle. Yeah, it's pretty much there. You know, it's pretty much there.